St. Patrick Cathedral Church in El Paso, Texas is the oldest church in the city. Built in 1917, it has served as a place of worship for the city's Catholic believers. You can hear its church bells ring in the morning to announce services, or as in traditional Christian belief, to drive out demons. Recently, the church has been making strange sounds at night, outside of its doors, which nobody has been able to explain. The sounds have been described as animalistic in nature. Here is video footage of the phenomenon to judge for yourselves.
Thanks for watching. Before you click on something else, check out my friend's audiobook down below. It's about a young father who gets into counterfeiting to help his family. It's available on Audible, iTunes and Amazon. Link down below. Just trying to show my friend some support. Thanks again.